All right, back out with that other tree again. Unfortunately, with some hedge trimmers, you can't cut some of the real thick spots, so I know this isn't going to work too good. But anyway, I have the Stihl PL30. What I like about this thing is it's completely all steel, and of course, made in USA. There's no real moving parts except one bolt, okay? Which makes it easier to cut here, and then this thing opens real wide when you want to sharpen the edge on it. I didn't use this very much, so we're going to take and set the camera up here, and I'll finish trimming this thing with the Stihl PL30. Alright, because of time here, turning on a daylight, you can see how these guys cut. I'm basically doing this one-handed, holding the camera at the same time, and dropping the camera at the same time as well. But pull that up there, as you can see, makes a real nice easy cut. A lot of leverage, easy to handle, very good looping pliers, loping pliers, however you want to pronounce it. Do a video on just touching up the blade on this and sharpening, but yeah, I like these a lot. They work very well. All right, better shot here to do some trimming with these trimmers. You can see don't work very hard to trim with these. Let's come over here by the porch here. Put them right above there. Check that one out right there. That one there is pretty thick, and it just cut it right off like it's nothing. That's about it for that. We get this on the top up here, but I'll finish trimming this tree, and yeah, a little review video on the Stihl PL30 looping pliers. I don't know if that's what you would call these. Pruning pliers. How about that? Pruners. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.